Pastor get catch on video. A wine girl in a party. Yeah, my people. Me hear exactly what I'm saying. The pastor get catch on video. A wine back a girl in a party. Yeah, my people. So that's how we are gonna break down today. And of course, you know the thing already, no man. I'm gonna reason it out. I'm gonna tell you what me personally think about the situation, everything. Cause you don't know the thing already, my people. So of course, again, if you like the video, just press the like button where you see right there. So yeah, man. And if you watch my channel, you follow my channel, and you find any value in the content or the content, any one of the content that I post, just hit the subscription button, man. More content will come like this, man. And nothing wrong. Just hit the subscription button, man, so you can be notified. You don't know the thing already. And of course, if you have any comment, whether or not you agree or you disagree with me, just leave it at the comment section, man. I'm going to jump into the video. Alright, my people. So, a time for we talk now, don't talk now. Time now for a reason and time for we see exactly what take place. So basically, the pastor get suspended from church. Well, yeah, he get suspended because them catch him on the video, and of course, you know, them say them now and them a type of man, in them congregation or whatsoever, way. So basically, I'm going to read a report first before we even go into the reasoning. This report is from the Jamaican Observer. You don't know anytime I find the info them, I give credit to Shpam, I find it, you know. Cause you don't know already, credit is due where credit is due. You see what I'm saying, my people? So this is what the story say. It say, an assistant pastor has been suspended and his fellow congregants are praying for him after social media posts surfacing showing a scantily clad woman pressed up against his pelvic area in a rescue dance. When contacted by the Jamaican Observer, Deontay Quinn Foster admitted to being the one caught in the compromising position. He is affiliated with the Scared Heart Spiritual Church of Justice Christ International, located in Cook Street, Savannah, Lamar. Alright, of course, you see the screenshot by your screen to my people. You see exactly what I go on. So, you know the thing already. A time now for a reason. So, I could talk. So first thing first, wanna suspend him, right? Wanna take this man off a front line. This man I cannot preach again. Wanna take him off. And I say wanna pray for him. Wanna do not pray out the demons them. Alright, it's funny that man. So that's how that pray out the demon name, because I guess the sex demon in catch. Yeah, man, in catch a sex demon, man. So that pray it out, you know. Put fun and joke aside still. At least he was man enough to accept it and say, yeah, and me you see in the picture, and me the wine back a girl, and me everything, and in the try to hide it and cover up. Because you know enough of them, you know. So then time, you know, them try to cover up, and them try to hide, and then try to pretend like some of them, and then know damn well deep down, now them heart. At them. Alright? So that all tight. We're not talking no more about that. So next thing what me I say now, go up on the more serious part. You know say yo, you're a man of God, right? You come to church Sunday and you preach to you and you tell us say yo, we feel live right and we feel do all of them things here, right? So when you I do a dance. We are doing a dance. We are doing a party. You're a man of God. If you preach to, we are doing a party. How you reach this so? Right? That's the first thing. First thing that you know, we are doing a party. The one if I made some people. Think about it, you know. Because him shouldn't dead the position where him get catching, you know. Him shouldn't dead us in the first place, you know. So that's the first red flag. Second red flag, you're there in a party, right? More likely, 90%, this a man, a probably married man. I'm not sure, I'm not gonna tell us that he's a married man, and yes, he married and he have his wife and Ray. I'm not gonna say that, but a pastor, 90% of them are married man, already married and thing, right? Your wife not there yard. And bet say if one of your church member them, I look a woman at the church or anything, you know what you do? You read him out. And again, you set up on the thing and you pray out the sex demon. You see him when you pray out the sex demon out of someone, but then it's the same sex demon in a you. Right? Again, that is why, you know, because me tell you, some of the time, you know, man, we are going to say, yo, every man a human and every way. But you why him can't get every man a human sympathy from me. You shouldn't do a dance in the first place. You as a pastor, we are doing a dance. I don't even want to cuss about the word on my channel now, but yeah, we are doing a dance. That's the first thing. Second thing, you in a dance, we are do a wine back a girl. We are do a wine back a girl. Me sure say you have your wife in your yard. We are do a wine back a girl. So that's the second red flag, right? No. This is why I'm telling you, you can't get that sad story from if you say, every man a you man and the one of them thing, them can't get that from me, you know. Alright. Next thing, I could reason some more, right? Because I could show you how they messed up, you know, and how that system have messed up, you know. I mean, before me even go any further, I am a man of God. I'm not going to say I'm a man of God, but I believe in a God. I say my prayer every night before I go in bed. I say a prayer every morning before I wake up. But I'm not at all against Christians. I believe in Christianity, right? But watch that prayer. When you see the youths, them no want to come to church. And when you see people out here as really and I say, yo, church people are wicked and way, and don't want to come to the church, what do you think about them? Because watch your prayer now. If you as a pastor, if you tell me the right, but yet still you not live right, how you expect me to look up to you as a worldlian when you not live righteous? Manifest to me and say my people, because you're going, you know. You see what you must say to me? Wait, if you make explanation and talk about man make mistakes and wait. Them that the kid with my giraffe. But in a essence, you're there one place where you shouldn't even there, hombre. As a pastor, you shouldn't even there in a party. We are doing a party. Again, I'm not going to really dwell upon that. I'm not going to reason upon that. But just pray what I say still. You come to church Sunday morning, right? And speak the word of God and tell world and like me with the out of the world and I wine back a girl and I live right, live a certain lifestyle. If you do something different or for walking at the decent part, right? But at the same time, you are do the same thing where you are telling me enough to do or where you're supposed to influence me from not doing. So at the end of the day, you feel like say you can be have any leadership to me. You have to lead from the front, brother. And if you are made to me, I say, no, this is a very touchy topic now. I know say a whole lot of people now gonna like the reason and what me have bring across and a whole lot of people are gonna find what me I say. That's foolish. It's a whole lot of people. Yeah, a whole lot of people just not gonna agree with what me I say. But at the end of the day, for me, you can't get that slap on the wrist there. If you say, yo, hey, look, it's just a mistake and really, because guess what? For one, you should part it up, him shouldn't even did this in the first place. When if you are meant to me and some people. And me just not gonna accept that. If you are meant to me, I say. Again, you can agree with me, you can disagree with me. But we could talk about it in the comment section, my people. Tell me what you think about it. If you like the video, press like. If you have any opinion, leave in the comment section. If you find any value in the content, just hit the subscription button, my people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.